From crisis to miracle, the ozone layer is finally healing. Scientists confirm a global victory. After decades of fear, warnings, and uncertainty, humanity is finally witnessing a rare environmental triumph. The ozone layer, once on the brink of collapse, is healing. What was once labeled as one of the greatest threats to life on Earth is now a story of hope, proof that global unity and science-driven action can turn catastrophe into recovery. The latest bulletin from the World Meteorological Organization, WMO, confirms that in 2024, the ozone layer continued its recovery, with the infamous Antarctic ozone hole shrinking to one of its smallest sizes in recent decades. Scientists now estimate that the layer, our invisible shield against deadly ultraviolet radiation, could return to its 1980 levels by the middle of the century. Over the Arctic, full recovery is expected by 2045, while over Antarctica, the process will likely continue until 2066. For those who may have forgotten, the ozone layer is not just another environmental issue. It is Earth's natural sunscreen. Without it, harmful UV rays would bombard our planet, dramatically increasing cases of skin cancer, cataracts, immune system damage, and even threatening agriculture and marine ecosystems. In the 1970s, scientists raised the alarm when they discovered that chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, chemicals used in refrigerators, air conditioners, aerosols, and even firefighting foams, were tearing open the atmosphere's protective barrier. By the 1980s, the world had a chilling image: the gaping ozone hole above Antarctica. The danger was real. Exposure to unchecked UV radiation could have pushed millions toward fatal illnesses and caused irreparable damage to global food chains. But unlike so many modern crises, this one inspired an extraordinary response. In 1985, the Vienna Convention laid the groundwork for global action, and in 1987, the Montreal Protocol became a turning point in history. It was the first ever universally ratified treaty, with every single United Nations member committing to phase out ozone-depleting substances. Today, more than 99% of these dangerous chemicals have been eliminated. This is a powerful reminder that when nations listen to science and act together, progress is possible, declared UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres. His words underline the true weight of this victory. The ozone layer's recovery is living proof that humanity can still change course. However, the story is not without its warnings. Climate change now poses a new challenge. Extreme wildfires, such as those in Australia during 2019 to 2020, have already shown the power to thin ozone levels by injecting massive plumes of smoke into the stratosphere. Meanwhile, hydrofluorocarbons, HFCs, the chemical replacements for CFCs, do not destroy ozone, but act as super greenhouse gases, up to 14,800 times more potent than carbon dioxide in trapping heat. The Kigali Amendment to the Montreal Protocol, adopted in 2016, aims to cut these emissions by more than 80% in the coming decades, potentially preventing global temperatures from rising by an additional half a degree Celsius. The ozone recovery is more than a scientific achievement. It is a story of survival. It shows that global cooperation, science, and decisive policies can reverse even the gravest of environmental threats. At a time when climate change continues to fuel despair, the healing of the ozone layer shines as a beacon of hope and a challenge to humanity. If we could save the sky once, can we not save it again?